Ever pondered over what the duties and responsibilities of a waiter are? Have you ever thought about the multitude of tasks that take place behind the scenes of your dining experience? Today, we dive into the world of waitstaff, unraveling the intricacies of their roles. First on the list is customer service. Waiters are the face of the restaurant, the first point of contact customers have. They greet guests, make them feel welcomed, and ensure they have a memorable dining experience. A waiter must master the art of communication, listening, and empathy. They are the problem solvers, handling any customer complaints with grace and professionalism. Next up is menu knowledge. A waiter should know the menu like the back of their hand, from the ingredients in a dish to the way it's prepared. They should be able to answer any questions about the menu, make recommendations, and cater to any dietary restrictions or allergies. Third on our list is taking orders. This might seem straightforward, but it requires a keen eye for detail and a good memory. A waiter should accurately take down orders, repeat them back to customers for confirmation, and then relay them to the kitchen staff without error. The fourth duty is serving food and beverages. This is not just about carrying plates to the table, it's about presentation, timing, and ensuring that the customers have everything they need to enjoy their meal. It's about refilling water glasses, offering bread, and clearing used dishes promptly. Fifth on the list is cleanliness and hygiene. Waiters are responsible for maintaining a clean and safe dining area. They must adhere to health and safety regulations, clean tables before and after meals, and ensure cutlery and glassware are spotless. Lastly, we have handling transactions. Waiters often manage the billing process, provide the check, process payments, and give back the correct change. They also need to manage any discounts or special offers accurately. To wrap it all up, the role of a waiter is more than just serving food. It's about creating an exceptional dining experience through excellent customer service, detailed menu knowledge, accurate order taking, prompt food and beverage serving, maintaining cleanliness, and handling transactions efficiently. It's a role that demands a lot, but it's also a role that can bring a lot of joy and satisfaction. It's about making people happy through food, and that in itself is a beautiful thing. So next time you dine out, remember the effort your waiter puts into making your meal a delightful experience.